Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to transform your garden into a vibrant haven for butterflies. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about creating a butterfly garden. Butterflies are not only beautiful but also essential pollinators. A butterfly garden enhances your outdoor space and supports local ecosystems. Let's dive into why creating a butterfly garden is so important. First, butterflies help pollinate plants, which is crucial for plant reproduction. This benefits not only your garden but also the broader environment, ensuring the survival of many plant species. By providing food and shelter for butterflies, you also support local wildlife, including birds and beneficial insects. This creates a balanced and thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. Butterflies add dynamic colour and movement to your garden, making it a peaceful and enchanting place. Plus, a butterfly garden offers educational opportunities for kids and adults alike, fostering a deeper connection with nature. Now, let's get started on creating your butterfly garden. The first step is to choose the right location. Butterflies need warmth to fly, so pick a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Also, ensure there's some shelter from strong winds by planting near hedges or fences. Next, let's talk about plants. You'll need a mix of nectar plants and host plants. Nectar plants like milkweed, coneflowers and lantana provide food for adult butterflies. Host plants, such as milkweed for monarchs and parsley for swallowtails, are where butterflies lay their eggs. Butterflies also need water. Create puddling areas with shallow dishes filled with sand and water. This provides hydration and essential minerals. Don't forget to add resting spots. Flat stones or logs in sunny areas are perfect for butterflies to bask and warm up. Avoid using pesticides, as they can be harmful to butterflies. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods to keep your garden safe and butterfly-friendly. Here are some recommended plants for your butterfly garden. Milkweed, essential for monarch butterflies, blooms in summer and requires full sun. Coneflower, attracts various species, blooms from summer to fall and thrives in full sun to partial shade. Lantana, a favourite for many butterflies, blooms from spring to fall and needs full sun. Butterfly bush, attracts swallowtails and painted ladies, blooms from summer to fall and requires full sun. Parsley, attracts swallowtail larvae, blooms from spring to summer and grows in full sun to partial shade. Maintaining your butterfly garden is easy. Regularly water your plants, deadhead spent flowers to encourage new blooms, and keep weeds in check to reduce competition for resources. Creating a butterfly garden is a rewarding way to enhance your outdoor space and support the environment. Start planning your butterfly garden today and enjoy the beauty and benefits of these enchanting creatures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!